want to give you a road tour starting from Ijebu Ode here down to Sagamu. You know the place is far and I didn't drive. I'm just going to be giving you in parts, all right? Because a lot of people are only aware of the Lagos Calabar road that is going on. And I say, why not? You have a right to also see what is going on here. So stick around and watch to the end. You'll be glad you did. Let's go, guys.
Oh, na na. Oh, yeah. Land click realtors where they make dreams real. Oh, from Ikoyi to Lekki to Aja we go. Find the perfect place where the fit your soul.
Oh, you then search for home, we gon' give you peace. Land click realtors go find you the perfect keys. Luxury affordable, tell us your dream. We then link you up, make you fresh and clean. We then bring the best deals, no stress at all. Buy or rent, we declare the call. From property tips to investment plan, Land click realtors, they hold your hand. Land click realtors, where your dream all day. Oh, Land click realtors, we gon' find a perfect place. Oh, buy or rent, Land click realtors will lead the way. Call us now, no delay, oh yeah. Land click realtors, just still Lego. We know that. Bring you tips, we gon' make you wise. Invest strategy, we gon' multiply. From walkthrough videos to market news, Land click realtors, you know fit lose. Ikoyi high rise, Lekki beachfront, touch your family home. We dey get the front, first hand info, no story, no.
You see the one that happened in Oyo, was it last week or 2 weeks ago? The second day now, wọ́n sáré bus ti gbogbo anywhere, wọ́n wá àwọn ẹ̀ jáde. Bàbá kan náà àwọn kidnapper yẹn òkèlè lọ dúró síbà, wọ́n dá àwọn bò bẹ́ẹ̀ ìjábọ̀, wọ́n wà lórí social media.
Land click realtors, where your dream home day. Oh, Land click realtors, protect the face. Land click realtors, so here's it out. Roadside on the gate. Land click realtors, where's your red more? Land click. He's more than a CEO, he's a coach, helping agents reach and approach, teaching why, how, and when to buy, so you roll by, no go just pass by. Luxury homes or plots to flip, he breaks it down with mentorship. YouTube blazing, teaching it true, helping buyers make the right move. This is not just about buying land, it's about building legacy. It's about clicking into your future. Land click with Benjamin Ali. Land click realtors. With Benjamin Ali, with dreams will grow. Show you how to fly. With Benjamin Carlo, your dreams will grow. He's more than a CEO, he's a coach, helping agents reach and approach, teaching why, how, and when to buy, so you roll. Why no go just pass by. Luxury